Hey guys, just down in the Jcrc workshop here, messing around. I was just bolting up my new wheels, playing around down here, and the courier drove in the driveway. Oh, well, what do we got here? And they showed up, and look what, lo and behold, a twin hammer turns up. So I thought, well, we'd better pull that out of the box and give you a look at it. So here we go. Let's pull it out, have a look at it, see what you reckon. Well, there it is. You get the batteries. Here it is. It's only about 2 o'clock in the afternoon, but really need to go over the whole thing, pull the body off and check the spur gear clearance. And there's a few issues there. You've got to set up the shift servo correctly, get all your trims set up, so I'll have to run through all that tonight. I'll take it out tomorrow. I've got a weekend to give it a blast, get some footage of it for you. You won't see much articulation here because there's nothing inside it. There's just a bare chassis under there. While I'm welding and stuff, I took all the electronics and motor and everything out. But it's got plenty of travel, heaps of travel. I've got the dual shocks, the shock mounts all mounted up. In the rear, I've got the rear shocks mounted up to the back cross brace there.